Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here multi-purpose PowerPoint templates part 2. Part 1 I have already uploaded on website or YouTube channel, but these are protected. First you need subscription. Here 10 pack of PowerPoint. First go to sherry.pwd.com, just one time payment, and then you have lifetime access of my all files. Okay, here presentation, open it in 25 2024. Okay, close it. Business, you can customize anything in PowerPoint. Click icon to add picture, pricing table, infographic, and here map North America, Africa, Asia. You see, you can import your image. Offering. Thank you for watching. Next, semantic behind. You can import image, design portfolio. Here 26 template, dessert food with 25 world kit. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love is.